Okay, I did some work off camera just because I've been so eager to get this issue resolved. I got 2 of the spark plug wires and spark plug caps replaced with brand new ones. I've got the 2 new caps here. I've got my wire that I got to cut to length. Let's see if we can get this damn bike to run well.
There it goes, right on cue. God damn it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
As you guys saw, the bike died on me again. It's the same issue that I've been plagued with. Runs perfectly, runs great, feels like I fixed it, and then it gets hot, it just totally shuts off on me. I get a little bit of backfire and I just lose spark. And then it won't start up again until it's cooled off. I've taken care of all the common things that you would when your bike's dying hot. Right away it tells you it's something electrical, typically. I replaced the battery because I was worried my battery was bad. Put in brand new spark plug. I replaced the wires and caps most recently. So I replaced the ignition coils. I replaced the stator and the regulator rectifier so I know my charging system is good. I replaced the CDI as well. The last thing that it could be is the pulse generators on this bike. Those apparently can fail and then you get weird resistance built up with the heat and then you stop getting spark. And that's kind of exactly what feels like happening. We're gonna take out the pulse generator cover, take out the pulse generators with the wiring harness, and we're just gonna replace it with the one I got coming from eBay. Can't fit this connector through, so I'm just gonna take the wires out. Okay, I got the connector off. Now this will just pull right through. All right, let's test this thing. I just tested the resistance, and for each one, it was like 330 to 360, which is in spec. I think the next thing we're gonna do, I should have done this a while ago, but I'm gonna button everything back up. I'm gonna take it out again. I'm gonna check for spark in all the cylinders once the bike dies on me. And then I'm also gonna check for fuel delivery. So if we don't have spark, it's either gonna be my spark generator or the CDI. It's the only 2 things it could be. Stay tuned.
All right, you guys, back on the bike again. This is more of a diagnostic ride. We're gonna ride it until it dies. Check for spark, check for fuel delivery. We'll double check for vapor lock as well. If I don't have spark, once the bike dies, I'm just gonna get a new CDI and the new spark generators and call it a day.
So right now I'm checking for vapor lock. The easiest way to know if this was happening to you, you would hear kind of a whoosh as you opened up the gas cap, and then you would be able to start the bike right back up after you did this.
Okay, we got gas. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we've got intermittent spark right now. I don't know if you can see that or not. Like right now it's not sparking, but when it tried to fire up for a second, I did get spark. Well, now we know. No spark. Okay. We are in order for a new CDI or spark generators. I wish I had a multimeter with me because then I could test the spark generator, see if that's what it is. That would have been smart, but here we are.
If I can distill any sort of wisdom onto you guys, this is a skill I need to build as well, but like diagnostics is so important because through this whole build, I've just been kind of replacing part by part, trying to diagnose that way, which is just expensive. You know, if you have the money, it's great because you're getting new parts on your bike, and if you're keeping your bike for a long time, it's not like a bad investment. But if you're trying to keep costs down, diagnosing the issue is so much more important than just throwing parts at it, which is literally what I've done. And it's a fault I'll recognize. I'm trying to become a better builder because I really enjoy it and I've been learning a lot, and I really am trying to like be transparent about all the issues I'm having because I want other people to realize that it's not just you struggling in the garage being frustrated. This has been forever a theme on my channel here. It's like, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys. Yes, I built this bike and it's still struggling. I know I will get through it eventually. It's been a roller coaster. I appreciate you guys all following along. Stay tuned. Let's get this thing where it needs to be and get an actual joyride out of this bike. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, you guys. And if you haven't seen yet, I'm doing a GoPro 9 giveaway for all my channel members. So all you gotta do is click the join button, become a channel member, get other perks as well that you'll see on the page. Super appreciate the support, you guys. Stay tuned for next week. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated with the electrical issue and the spark issue I'm having with this bike. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have it resolved by next Sunday. I'll put this Nighthawk restoration playlist up on the screen if you haven't seen it yet, and I'll do the Cafe Brat build playlist. And lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys. Cheers.